Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, account permissions, available margin, and that your broker offers the protection types you need. Next, choose the protection method, stop loss, guaranteed stop, or trade insurance, and decide whether you want price-based or time-based triggers. Allocate risk in dollars or percent. For example, limit each trade to 1% of your equity. Once done, enter the trade ticket and attach the protection order immediately so the shield is active from the first fill. Now configure execution details. Place your entry as a limit or market order and attach the protection order on the same ticket to avoid race conditions. Specify trigger levels and slippage tolerance in ticks or percent because spreads can widen. Make sure the protection is visible in your order book. If not, cancel and reissue. Once the position is live, trail, or adjust the protection to lock profits or reduce risk, and confirm each update with the broker's execution report. Finish by deciding whether to manually close or let the protection execute. Both are valid. Just make sure you reconcile fills, fees, and any guarantee premiums immediately. After closeout, review account statements to confirm realized P&L versus expected outcomes and adjust future risk settings. If a protection fails to execute, gather timestamps, order ID, and market data, then escalate to broker support while preserving records. This evidence is essential for dispute resolution and possible.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.